We are Joni and Sarah and we are traveling Europe with the van and living it for the past 8 years.
We don't know how long this road trip is going to last, but hopefully at least 2 years. We are in the harbor, so it's quite loud at the moment and there's plenty of wind. I'm a bit worried because I get seasick very easily.
Best part of when you are starting a road trip from Finland, you always take ferry. So that will start your road trip. It's not just starting up your van and going to Alps. You really need to go to Europe. We call in Finland that we go to Europe, even we are part of Europe.
Yeah.
When we are taking the ferry and going south.
Exactly. So excited, but we do have a time. So let's brew a coffee and wait till the ferry comes. We were middle of brewing our coffee and then the line started to move and we were asked to close the gas valve. So
for the ferry trip.
Yeah, exactly.
But we are having these coffees before we get to ferry, and the best part of being this part of the checking, we have toilets. Yay!
We are driving the ferry! Exciting times! This harbor is a big mess.
Yes, they are driving us around, I don't know why. It's fun. Yeah, these harbors are always a mess. There needs to be good guidance, but sometimes they are a lot of mess. I think in Norway there were most lazy harbor guys there, and yeah, they didn't try to actually move you.
Or do their job in general.
Yeah. Finally, after the hassle, we are going to the ferry. Whoa.
Upstairs.
Yeah.
Closer to heaven and closer to the sun. We can already feel the hot summer vibes coming.
From Estonia.
Yeah. Tight fit.
We are almost at the Tallinn or Muuga harbor. We chose the Helsinki-Muuga ferry because it's like 40 euros cheaper than the Helsinki-Tallinn, and we don't have to go to Tallinn Central, and it has been a traffic chaos in the past 2 years maybe.
Yeah, so now we can avoid it, and this ferry trip is really short, only few hours. So Pulla, our doggy, is inside of our van, sleeping there. And there are some good things about your pet being a senior, because Pulla is totally deaf. He doesn't panic and hear all the annoying noises and vibrations that are in the ferries. So it's a good feeling that he's totally happy there.
And not windy, so Sarah is not getting seasick.
No, not at all. And shimmering seawater and sun is shining, so we are totally in a good mood.
Yes. In a second we are in Tallinn. Yay!
Yay!
We are in Tallinn or Muuga in 15 minutes, then just driving straight to Pärnu. We need to take diesel because our diesel tank is empty. Again, Finnish diesel prices.
Expensive.
Estonian diesel prices, so we're gonna take the tank full of diesel here. Yeah.
And then drive somewhere beautiful place to spend the night and wake up in the new old country tomorrow.
Yes, but before that, the most important part, going to the grocery store in new country.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
We are in Estonia. We did not stay in Tallinn because we have been there plenty of times. We traveled more to south and we made it in time. It's not dark yet. Whoa, getting darker. Look at the beautiful sand beach and the sunset. The wind is kind of nippy, so not like bikini weather. Kind of isolated place. Beautiful, beautiful sand beach.
And the place that we are in at the moment is RMK place, so it's a public forest minister. Yeah, government owned places where it's usually a place to spend the night in the nature, make food in the nature. Yeah, and they are great. Usually toilets, fire pits, for example this time water, and really beautiful places to spend time in nature. I think it's great that government pays or upkeeps places like this. And Estonian people, they love to actually camp with their car as
close as sea as possible.
Yeah, and also close to the place where you make food. So these are perfect place for those.
Exactly, and perfect place to spend the night. The first night in our epic road trip journey.